Hi, doing everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Today we have again Netflix on the daily chart. I did this chart, I think it was over the weekend as a extra chart. So I have the video in my channel. So if you guys want to go ahead and check that out, I ran down through the analysis. I actually broke down, now that I'm looking at it, I see this little thing. I'm like, what is that? I actually broke this down to where I was saying if we get here, right? If we get a bounce off of this area and we actually get a break of that, right? If we get a break of this resistance, we can possibly get a retest and continuation, but we actually did not get that. We actually got the break, right? We got a minor retest, a slow retest here, and then actually continuation going towards the downside like we wanted. Now, the reason that that happened, right? And I'll show you guys why this is relevant, right? If you just put your resistance line here, you can see that obviously there was some rejection here, some rejection here, also rejection here, and then some retest breaks, some breakouts here, and then just basically going down the line. But with that being said, this could have been a potential opportunity to where you could have caught this as soon as the market opened. You could have basically entered this area and then actually taken it down to this next level of resistance. Excuse me. Well, here is support, but at some point it was resistance, but then broke through. So level of support here. So you could have taken it to that side and then actually continued going lower. But by this time, I think it's just the ending of the day. So yeah, so by the end of the day, it came right back down here. So you could have actually made some good opportunity there. So that's good. And then obviously new morning, it had broken that resistance level, retested and actually went up. So for this week, right? For this week, and I'm doing this fresh for you guys and gals. Again, if you haven't already, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And if you have any questions, as usual, leave them down in the comments section so I can go ahead and answer them. I answer all of my all of my comments that are left here by my subscribers. So go ahead and subscribe if you're new, and if you have any questions, feel free to jot them down. So for this trade right now, it can still have the opportunity to come back down into this level here. It absolutely does. Now, for me specifically, I would like to see what's going to actually, because if you put the line chart, you can see that it kind of made like a lower, higher, higher high, lower high, and then continue to go upwards. So I would like to see if it's going to actually continue that movement going towards the upside, right? So I would like to see something like this, right? Oops, tripper. I would like to see if we're going to do something like this. And then actually continue breaking up towards that side. So I would like to see if it's going to actually do something like this. Now, yes, we are heading a bit on the low side here. So keep in mind, this area here, this is where you have that potential area for resistance, right? So yes, did it come into that area? Did it reject? Did it come down? Absolutely. That's why I said I need a break of that $80 mark, right? It needs to pass that $78, $79 mark, hit that 80 for then me to say, okay, cool. Now I can see that there could be a potential change of trend to where now it can continue going higher. That's why I'm not looking right now to like go all crazy with the with the buying opportunity right now. Right now, I'm still looking for shorts, but I would like to see it continue upwards only because of that minor break of structure. But this would indicate that it can definitely have the potential to continue going higher. Like that's it. So for now, we can either target, and here's the thing too, even if you're going on the low side, right? You're going to target that low. Ooh, no doubt. Ooh, target that $71 mark. That's it. If you're here around that 73, target at 71, you'll be good. You're in and out, a little quick here and there. That's it. But you don't really need a lot. Just do your due diligence before anything. Obviously, there's no financial advice or anything like that, like any of my other videos are. But this is just me education, letting you guys see what I see and then going from there. That's basically it. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. And for those of you who are new, make sure you click the notification bell. Just when I drop new content, you're always alerted of it, and you can basically just pick up where you left off. So with that being said, thank you to everyone that's been watching, liking, commenting, like new subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I have had like a dip in viewership. I know there's an algorithm thing going on. I think I mentioned this already before, but I'm going to be taking a small hiatus, maybe a week or two, maybe give the algorithm a break from just give the algorithm a break. And then from there, I'll be I'll be going into just back into the whole routine. That's it. So also gonna be enjoying my holiday vacation here. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and then we'll go from there. Thank you and have a great one, y'all. Peace.